South Korea's top court will dish out tougher punishment to eradicate child abuse death. Recently, the Supreme Court raised the maximum recommended sentence for those convicted of child abuse murder. On Monday, the court's sentencing commission raised standard sentence for the crime to 4 to 8 years in prison, with up to 15 years of imprisonment possible for aggravated cases. The maximum ceiling was raised to 22.5 years in cases where special aggravated determinants outweigh mitigating elements by more than 2 factors. The decision came amid calls for tougher punishment for such heinous crimes. As of late, a number of brutal child abuse death cases have made headlines in South Korea following the alleged homicide of an adopted toddler, Jung-in, last year. The baby died in last October of severe abdominal injuries and internal bleeding caused by strong external force. After being adopted in February last year, Jung-in was habitually bitten by her adoptive mother for 5 months and died with fractured bones and bruises found on her body. The adoptive mother, surnamed Chang, was given a life sentence at the first trial on charges of child abuse and murder. However, Jang appealed the ruling as she only admitted to having abused a child but claimed the death was an accident. An appellate court then reduced her sentence to 35 years in prison, saying it's difficult to say there are enough objective facts warranting life imprisonment. Meanwhile, 5-year prison term was given for the husband, who was indicted on child abuse charges for aiding Chang's violence. Both Chang and her husband appealed to the Supreme Court, calling for a reduced sentence.